In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add smooth transitions between clips in CapCut. This will help make your edits look more professional and flow seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, import your video. Make sure you import two clips that you want to transition between. Drag to the timeline like this. These clips need to be placed next to each other with no space in between like this. Let us just adjust its duration like this. Let me adjust it like this. Now, on the toolbar above your timeline, you will see a button labeled Transitions. Click on it, and a variety of transition options will appear. Now browse through the available transitions. You will find many options right here. Once you have found the transition you want, drag it between the two clips in your timeline where you want it to appear like this. The transition will automatically be applied. You can adjust how long the transition lasts by clicking on the transition in your timeline like this. A duration slider will appear, allowing you to make the transition faster or slower. You can see it right here. You can adjust its duration from here. Now hit play to preview how the transition looks between your clips. Let's see it. Yeah, and that's it. You have just added transition to your video. You can add next transition. If you are not satisfied with this, delete it. And again repeat the same process. Drag it to your timeline like this and adjust its duration from here like this. Now preview your video. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.